There's nothing better than the rain. A star for the silence lingers in my brain. I find my way, nobody's home. Lights are still bright, smoking out my window. I never feel alone when I smoke alone at night. Please don't worry about me, I'm alright. I'm still picking up the phone, so please don't try to call me tonight. I don't know how to be more than enough. I want you to want me, not feel like you must. Soon again we're strangers, lost to the drift. To tell the truth, I'll never know how to be someone you miss. Deep down I care, but I know I have to go. I won't make you stay, 'cause the rain always follows me home. There's nothing louder than the quiet nights. The dying one from their arms, you let the flood seep inside. I don't need your sorry, I don't need your goodbye. I don't need your closure, just forget me in time. I'll be long gone, so please don't try to find me when I finally make something of my life. Cut the strings I made too tight. The love you were giving me, I had to untie. Don't say you love me, then tell me you lied. I'd rather be on my own, still alone by your side. I just wanna be somebody, I just wanna find hope. Don't you dare come back now, 'cause I'll already be gone. Before the last drop of rain falls from above, please know that I tried, but I know I must go. Oh, I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Take me home. Please don't ask me to stay, 'cause the rain always follows me home. Home, home. The rain follows me everywhere I go. Oh, everywhere I go. Please don't follow me out the door. I don't wanna be me anymore. Don't you shed a tear when I disappear, 'cause you should have been here, and I was still here. Oh, take me home. Take me home. Take me home. I wanna go home. I wanna find home. There's nothing better than the rain. They say love's no best teacher, so what's a little pain? You fall and you learn, and you test all the ones who come into your life. The ones who burned you and wonder why did you turn around and say, maybe this is me now, maybe this is what I am. This is what I am now. Maybe this is who I am now.